Here's an app called Zola Wedding Planner. So let's just install it. This app is growing in the charts and ready to plan your wedding. Do it all with Zola. Zola's free tools make wedding planning a joy, not a job. So, the wedding planner is obviously sometimes super complicated task if it's a bigger wedding and all of the events you're planning and venues. It can become super cumbersome. So this is one of the apps which can help you make it easier, and it's trending. It's well-made app. So all aspects of wedding planning you can try it with this app. Venues and vendors. Uh, you can even build a super easy wedding website. You can create invites. You can create register, guest list, wedding budget tracker, seating chart, wedding countdown, all of the features you can have in this app, just like this. And then you can just tap get started, and then you can just start to use the app. And then you can also find registers. So that's kind of the app. Just bring your attention, you can try to use.